Have you ever seen this cool digital retro style clock and wanted to get one for your PC or laptop as well? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to get this digital clock on the screen of your PC and laptop. So without any delay, let's head into the process. Let's go to the Google first, and these clocks are called Screensaver, and the screensaver name of this screensaver is Flip Clock Screensaver. So let's type for Flip Clock Screensaver, and then you have to click on this first link here, which is called flickclo.com. I will also provide the link for this website in the description below, and you can access from there directly. Let's click on here now and click on this icon as well. Here we will have the option to download for either Mac and Windows for free. I'm using Mac, so let's download for Mac. I have already downloaded this screensaver on my Mac, and today I will just replace the previous one and show you all the process how to install it in your laptop. The download has now completed. Let's open this. After that, you will come across this little screen here, and you have to click on Saver. And I will just replace this old one, and this is the screensaver that we are looking for. Let's click on this option, and we can also see the preview here. You have to tick on this box, and you can choose the time as well. I have chosen 5 minutes, which means after 5 minutes of inactivity on my screen, the screensaver clock will appear. Let's preview how it looks on the screen. So this will look like this on the screen. Let's escape this one. There is also option called Show with Clock. Let's once click this option, and let's look for preview. It will show 2 clocks here, and I really don't like these 2 clocks on the same screen, so that's why I'll just untick this option here. And I also want to talk about these other options here, screensaver options. You can choose either in between these 3 options. I have chosen AM and PM option here. I like that one most. And you can also select scale. You can see on the background that the size of the clock is decreasing. You can also increase or decrease as per your preference, and brightness of the clock as well. At the background, the clock is getting darker. I will just increase the brightness to 100% and press OK. And I also want to talk about these hot corners here. These are the 4 options we can choose. Here we have different options to choose from. I have chosen desktop and start screensaver, which means if I hover my mouse on the top right corner of the screen, then the desktop will appear like this. And if I hover it again, then I will be back on the same screen. And let's hover my mouse on the top left corner of the screen, then it will start screensaver. I'll just go to the same screen again. You can choose between different options here and press OK. Sometimes the screensaver may not appear on the screen after the a certain time of inactivity that you have chosen from. If that ever happens to you, what you can do is you have to go to settings and then battery here and choose the battery icon here, and you have to adjust this turn display off after timing here. This means the display of the screen will turn off after this time. I have chosen 15 minutes here. For example, after the 5 minutes of inactivity on my screen, the screensaver clock will appear. But after the 15 minutes, the screensaver clock will also disappear and my screen will turn black. You can also, if you save this option, let's see, for 3 minutes, then after 3 minutes the display of your screen will turn off and you will not be able to see the screensaver clock. So that's why you have to choose this option beyond the timing for your screensaver. Then I have chosen 15 minutes. If you want to see your screensaver clock on your screen all the time, then you can also choose the option called never. But you have to consider how much battery it will take, so you can choose OK if you are satisfied with this option. After choosing this, the screensaver clock will appear on your screen all the time after 5 minutes of inactivity. And if you don't like this option, then you can just press here on restore defaults. But in this case I will choose for 15 minutes, which means after 15 minutes of inactivity my display will turn off. So that's it, that's the end for this video. I hope you like this. Please don't forget to hit like if you like this video, and comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. I will see you in my next video. Hello everyone, so today in this video I am going to teach you how to add the LinkedIn certificate after you complete a course on LinkedIn.